Hello guys, welcome to A to Z. Today we'll be seeing how to install the Go programming language. So we will go to our browser and type GoLang or Go programming language and press the first link Go programming language. Click get started. Then click download and it will bring us to a new page and from here we will select this link for the Windows operating system and you can see that our download has begun for the installation file. It is downloaded. Now go to the folder where it is downloaded, double click on it, click next, accept the terms, next, leave the path as it is, next, install. It is asking for permission, click yes, and it will take a few seconds to minutes based on your connection. So it is successfully installed, click finish. Now let us verify the installation, search for the command prompts, and then from the command prompts type go version and press enter, and this will show you the Go programming language version. You can also check the Go environment, and this lets you to see the tools, configurations, directory structures for writing, compiling and running Go codes. So thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe to my channel for another coding video. Thank you.